So, butterscotch ice cream. I know butterscotch may be a bit of an old school flavor, but it's one of my favorites. I like a lot of things, and butterscotch has been one of those things I've liked since I was a kid. I want to show you how to make a low-calorie butterscotch ice cream that is so good. It is so smooth and creamy and sweet and just that classic butterscotch flavor. It's delicious. I'm going to show you how to make it right now on the Cog-ish-shred. Hey, how's it going, everybody? My name is John, and I've lost over 130 pounds through mindful eating and daily walking, and these days I'm just trying to keep the weight off and stay in shape. So yeah, ever since I got the Ninja Creami, I have been making ice cream constantly. It is so good, it is so easy. It's easy to control what goes into it, so you can make any kind of ice cream you want. You can keep it low calorie and still keep it delicious, and it's way cheaper than buying the low calorie stuff at the store, and honestly tastes better because you can customize it to your liking. So I'm going to show you guys how to make a flavor that I've heard recently people are saying is like an old person flavor.
Keep a lid on it, butterscotch!
Well, you know what? It may be a bit of an old-fashioned flavor, but if it ain't broke, don't fix it. And if it is, do. And ice cream, it's a little high in calories, so we're gonna fix that by making this amazing butterscotch ice cream. It is low in calorie, it is delicious. I've said enough, let's just go ahead and get started. Let's get cooking. So the first ingredient for this ice cream is 1 cup of Fairlife fat-free milk. Next, we're going to add 1 egg yolk from a large egg. This, of course, will act as an emulsifier, and it will make it nice and smooth and creamy and add a little bit of fat since it's fat-free milk. It really helps the texture, and it tastes really good. Trust me, the egg adds a lot. Then we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum, also to help thicken it up and make it nice and smooth and fluffy. Then add 2 tablespoons of a sweetener. I am going with a monk fruit sweetener, but you can use whatever sweetener you like. You could use erythritol, you can use sucralose if you so choose. I don't know, like I said, whatever you like. All right, 2 tablespoons. And now we'll add a pinch of salt, which, as I've said, I hate that measurement because what is a pinch? So I am using just shy of 1/8 of a teaspoon. That is it. Do not do more than that. It'll be way too salty. But a little bit of salt really brings out the flavor, especially in butterscotch. And finally, the thing that's actually gonna make this butterscotch ice cream, we're gonna add 9 grams of butterscotch sugar-free Jell-O pudding mix. Go ahead and add that in there and stir everything together. Of course, it's gonna need to be blended, so I'm just doing a quick stir. Now let's just go ahead and blend everything up nice and smoothly with an immersion blender. And we are blending!
Yes, you are blending!
Yeah, you can see how it's really starting to thicken up. It's not gonna get as thick as pudding because there's a lot of other stuff in here, but that's the consistency we want. All right, that I think is ready to go. So I'm just gonna give it a quick taste test, and then I'm gonna pop this thing in the freezer overnight. All right, let's see how it tastes. Oh, that tastes like butterscotch pudding right there.
Butterscotch?
Call me an old man, I don't care. I like butterscotch pudding. And I really like the butterscotch ice cream. So let's go ahead and put the lid on it, put this thing in the freezer overnight. However, of course, I already have one made up because I want one right now. So let's get it out, put it in the Ninja Creami, and have some ice cream. All right, so we've got our frozen butterscotch ice cream right here. Just like with any Ninja Creami recipe, make sure you let it sit out for about 10 to 15 minutes or run it under some hot tap water for about a minute just to make sure it's not totally solid frozen. I mean, it's gonna be frozen, but you wanna make sure that it has a little bit of give so you don't ruin the blades of your Ninja Creami, because that can happen and you don't wanna destroy your machine. All right, also, if there's a bump in the center, you wanna smooth that out. This one seems pretty flat, so I think we're good to go. All right, let's go ahead and put this in the machine. And we're gonna hit light ice cream and let it do its first spin. Here we go. All right, first spin is done. I'm sure we're gonna have to do a second spin. Let's take a quick look and see how this is looking though. Yeah, that's pretty good. It's pretty good. I like it a little smoother, a little bit creamier. It's not super powdery. You can see a little bit of a powderiness in some of it. So, gonna add a splash of milk to it. All right, and let's put this back in for one more spin and we will have some amazing
butterscotch
ice cream. So we're just gonna hit respin, let it do a quick respin, and we're gonna enjoy. Here we go. All right, it's done. Let's check this out. I am very excited for this. Oh, yep, there it is. That is the smooth, look at that. It's like this recipe always seems to come out smooth and perfect, just flawless. Look at that texture.
Check it out. Has you ever seen anything like that?
Let me try a little bit of this. Oh, yeah. Let's see this butterscotch goodness here. Oh, yeah. Oh my goodness. That is, it's fantastic. Oh man.
Butterscotch.
This is the stuff right here. My butterscotch pudding flavored ice cream. I don't care. Call me an old fart. I'm enjoying my ice cream and I'm loving life. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Believe it or not, this entire container of ice cream right here, 165 calories for all of this, the whole thing. So if you really want to just indulge after dinner or any time, this is the way to go. Seriously, I have not regretted getting this thing. This Ninja Creami, it's a wonder. I've been eating this stuff constantly. I've been keeping the weight off and I have been enjoying every bit of it. So I can't recommend it enough. If you're able to, get a Ninja Creami and start making your own ice cream. You will save money in the long run on buying ice cream, and you can make your own ice creams that are so much better tasting than the store-bought low-calorie ice creams. Plus, unlike, you know, the Halo Top and the other brands that they're usually so hard, when I take them out of the freezer, I gotta let them sit out and thaw, and then they get soft around the edges, but they're still hard in the center. Like this blends the whole thing up smoothly in just a few minutes, and oh, heaven. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my old man ice cream. I suggest you try it yourself, and if you enjoyed this video, please feel free to like and subscribe to the thecogisshred, where I'll be making more Ninja Creami recipes, as well as other low-calorie, high-protein recipes, and other videos related to my weight loss and fitness journey. So, thanks so much for watching, and until next time, keep on eating and enjoy. Yeah, I can't stop.